to my class. In the last videos, we discussed some questions from question papers from the chapter surface areas and volumes. In this video also, we are going to discuss some more questions from the same chapter. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications also. If you have any doubts, you can ask that as comments. Okay, so let us start now. And the question is, a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm and the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Find the volume of the capsule. A medicinal capsule is there with two hemispheres at its ends and the length of the entire capsule. This entire capsule is 14 mm long. And the diameter of the, that is this diameter of the hemisphere. This is diameter of the hemisphere. Diameter of the hemisphere is 5 millimeter. That is, this diameter is 5 millimeter, means radius will be 5 by 2 millimeter and this height will be 5 by 2 millimeter. So this will be 5 by 2 and this is also 5 by 2. So what is the height of this part? It is height of cylinder. Height of cylinder is equal to 14 minus 2 into 5 by 2, right? 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2, that is 2 into 5 by 2, which is equal to 14 minus 5 and that is equal to 9 millimeter. So this length is 9 millimeter. That is, height of the cylinder is 9 millimeter. Okay. Now volume. Volume of capsule is equal to this volume plus volume of these two hemispheres, right? And it is equal to pi r square h plus, what is volume of hemisphere? It is 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Two such hemispheres are there. So 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So we can take pi r square out from this and this will become h plus 4 by 3 r, right? And this is equal to 22 by 7 into r is 5 by 2 into 5 by, that is r is 5 by 2. So we can write this as 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. Then h is height of the cylinder, which is 9. 9 plus 4 by 3 into r is 5 by 2. Okay, so we can simplify this. 2 will go in 22 11 times and this will become 11 into 25 by 7, that is 7 into 2 14, and this is 9 plus 2 will go in for 2 times, so this is 9 plus 10 by 3. Okay, so this is equal to 11 into 25 by 14 into 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 10 is 37 by 3. And this is equal to 25 into 37 is 18, then 74, right? So 925. So this is equal to 925 into 11 by 14 into 3 is 42, right? Now 925 into 11 by 42. To multiply a number by 11, just write the leftmost digit and rightmost digit as it is. Then so we can write it like this. Then add the intermediate digits together. 9 plus 2 is 11 and 11 means, now then 2 plus 5 is 7. No carry here. So this is 9 plus 1, then 175, which is equal to, by 42, which is equal to 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. Then 10175 by 42. Divide this 10175 by 42. 101 by 42 is 2. Then 84. Remainder is 7 1 17, and here we have 177. 42 into 4 is 168. So it will go 4 times. 168, then 9. Right? Now 95. 42 will go in 95 2 times, and it is 84. Then 11. Put a 0. Then point. 110. 42 will go 2 times. It is 84. Then 26. Then 260. 42 will go in 266 times, I think. 6, 12, 252. So 6, 252, then 8, 80. So it will go only one time. So we can take this as 242.26. 242.26 millimeter cube is the volume of this capsule. Understood? Next question. A cylindrical bucket 32 cm high and with radius of base 18 cm is filled with sand. This bucket is emptied on the ground and a conical heap of sand is formed. If the height of the conical heap is 24 cm, find the radius and slant height of the heap. Here, volume of the cylindrical bucket will be equal to volume of the conical heap, right? Because that much sand we are emptying into conical heap. So, volume of cylindrical bucket is equal to pi r square h. Here r is equal to 18 centimeter and h is equal to 32 centimeter. So, volume of cylindrical bucket is equal to pi r square h, means volume is equal to pi into r square is 18 into 18 into 32. Now, volume of conical heap is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. We can take capital R and capital H. 1 by 3 pi capital R square h. And height of this conical heap is 24 centimeter. We have to find capital R. And we know that this volume is equal to this volume. That is pi into 18 into 18 into 32 is equal to 1 by 3 into pi into r square into 24. So, pi and pi will get cancelled and r square is equal to 18 into 18 into 32 into 3 by 24. Now, 6 will go in 18 3 times, 6 will go in 24 4 times, and 4 will go in 32 8 times. So, we have 3 into 18 into 8 into 3, and r is equal to root of this. Root of 3 into 3 is 3. Then root of 18 into 8. We can take it as root of 18 into 8 can be considered as root of 9 into 2 into 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. So, what is the root of this? It is root of 9 is 3 and root of 2 into 2 is 2. Root of 2 into 2 is 2, which is equal to 12. Right? So, this is equal to 3 into 12, which is equal to 36. 36 centimeter is the radius of this heap. So, we have found the radius. Now, we have to find the slant height. So, what is slant height of a cone? We can draw the cone. And radius of the cone is 36 centimeter. This is 36. And height of the cone is 24 centimeters. So this is 24. Now finding L is easy. That is hypotenuse. L is the hypotenuse. L equal to root of 36 square plus 24 square. 36 square. 36 is 12 into 3, right? So 36 square can be written as 12 into 3 into 12 into 3 plus 24 is 12 into 2. So we can write it as 12 into 2 plus 12 that is 12 into 2 into 12 into 2. Okay, so if we take this 12 into 12 out, we have 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2, which is equal to root of 12 into 12 into 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4, which is equal to root of 12 into 12 is 12, and so we can write this as root of 12 into 12 is 12, and root of 9 plus 4 is 13. So 12 root 13, what is the unit here? It is centimeter. So slant height of this conical heap is 12 root 13 centimeter. Understood? Next question, a milk tanker cylindrical in shape having diameter 2 meter and length 4.2 meter supplies milk to two booths in the ratio 3:2. One of the milk booths has cuboidal vessel having base area 3.96 meter square and the other has a cylindrical vessel having radius 1 meter. Find the level of milk in each of the vessels, and given that use pi equal to 22/7. So the tanker is cylindrical in shape. So we can find volume of milk in the tanker, right? Volume of milk in the tanker. Since it is cylindrical in shape, it is pi r square h, right? And radius of the tanker is 2/2, that is 1 meter. And height of the tanker is given as 4.2 meter. So this is equal to 22/7 into r square is 1 square into h is 4.2, and 7 will go in 4.2 0.6 times. So this is equal to 13.2 meter cube. 22 into 0.6 is 13.2. So volume of milk in tanker is 13.2 meter cube. Now it is given that the milk supplied to two booths are in the ratio 3:2. So volume of milk given to booth 1. What is it? It is 3/5 into this, right? So 3/5 into 13.2. Now volume of milk given to booth 2. It is 2/5 into 13.2, right? Now, given that one of the milk booths has cuboidal vessel having base area 3.96 meter square. Base area, base of the cuboid will be like a rectangle, right? Base will be like a rectangle and its area is 3.96. Okay, but this height will be there for the cuboid, height will be there. So volume of cuboid, volume of this cuboidal vessel, that is, it is for booth 1, right? So booth 1, volume of cuboidal vessel for booth 1 is equal to L into B into H. Cuboid, volume of a cuboid is L into B into H. And given that base area is 3.96 meter square, that is length into breadth. So length into breadth is 3.96 into H. Okay, and this is equal to 3/5 into 13.2 because we got volume of milk given to booth 1 as 3/5 into 13.2. From that we can find H, right? So 3/5 into 13.2 is equal to 3.96 into H1. We can write this as H1. H1 is the height of the vessel in the first booth. So H1, we can find this H1 like H1 equal to 3 into 13.2 by 5 into 3.96. we can multiply numerator and denominator by 100 to make this 3.96 without decimal. So we'll get it as 3 into 1320 by 5 into 396, and 132 will go in 396 3 times. So 10 will be there here and it will be 3 here, and 3 and 3 will get cancelled, and 10 by 5 is 2. So we got H1 as 2 meter, that is height of the cuboidal vessel in the first booth is 2 meter. Now we have to find the height of the cylindrical vessel in the second booth. So, and we got the volume of the second booth as 2 by 5 into 13.2. So, volume, now we have to find volume of cylindrical tank in the second booth. Given that radius is 1 meter. So, it is pi into r square into h, which is equal to pi into 1 square into h. Okay, and pi into 1 square into h is equal to, we can write this as h2. And pi into 1 square into h2 is equal to this 2 by 5 into 13.2. So, h2 equal to 2 by 5 into 13.2 divided by pi, which is equal to 2 by 5 into 13.2 into 7 by 22. And 2 will go in 22 11 times. Then 11, when we divide 13 by 2 by 11, we will get this as 1.2. So we have 1.2 into 7 by 5. And 1.2 into 7 is 8.4. 8 by 5 is 1, 3 remainder. Then point. 34 by 5 is 6. Then 4 remainder. Now 40 by 5 is 8. So 1.68 meter is the height of the cylindrical vessel in the second booth. Understood? You can pause the video and note this down. Next one, find the number of solid spheres of diameter 6 cm that can be made by melting a solid metallic cylinder of height 45 cm and diameter 4 cm. That is, a solid metallic cylinder is there, and from that we have to make spheres. How many such spheres can be made? That is the question. So, number of spheres that can be made will be equal to volume of cylinder by volume of one sphere, right? So, we can find volume of this cylinder and volume of one sphere. Okay. So, volume of one sphere is equal to, it is 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? And r is equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3 centimeter. So, it is equal to 4 by 3 into pi into 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to, we can write it like this, 4 pi into 3 into 3. And volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. And r is equal to 2 centimeter, h is equal to 45 centimeter. So, volume is equal to pi into 2 into 2 into 45. And what is number of spheres that can be made? Number of spheres is equal to volume of cylinder by volume of one sphere, which is equal to pi into 2 into 2 into 45 by this, that is 4 into 3 into 3 into pi. So, pi and pi will get cancelled, and we will get this as 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and this is 9. 45 by 9 is 5. So, number of spheres that can be made is 5. Okay, understood? Next one, 3 solid metallic spherical balls of radii 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm are melted into a single spherical ball. Find its radius. So, let R be the radius of the bigger ball. So 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi into this 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube. So R cube is this 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube, which is equal to 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 16 into 4, which is 64, and 5 cube is 25 into 5, which is 125, and you will get this as 216. So what is our cube root of 216, which is 6. So radius of the bigger ball that is made from 3 balls will be 6 centimeter. Okay, so if you are asked to find radius of bigger ball from 3 or 4 balls, you have to just cube the radius of the smaller balls and add it. Okay. Next one, 12 solid spheres of the same size are made by melting a solid metallic cone of base radius 1 cm and height 48 cm. Find the radius of each sphere. 12 solid spheres are made and volume of cone. It is made from melting metallic cone and volume of this cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, which is equal to 1 by 3 pi into r is 1 square into height is 48. Okay, now volume of 12 solid spheres. 12 solid spheres. First we can write one solid sphere. Volume of one solid sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? And volume of 12 solid spheres is equal to 12 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? So this volume of cone, this cone is made into 12 solid spheres. So volume of cone will be equal to volume of 12 solid spheres, right? So 12 into 4 by 3 into pi r cube will be equal to 1 by 3 into pi into 1 square into 48. Pi and pi will get cancelled and this by 3 will get cancelled from both these. Now 12 into 4 is 48. 48 r cube is equal to 48, which means r cube is equal to 1. That is r is equal to 1 centimeter. So radius of one solid sphere is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. Next one, a solid sphere of radius r is melted and recast into the shape of a solid cone of height r. Find the radius of the base of the cone. This solid cone is having height r, small r. And we know that volume of sphere is equal to volume of cone. And what is volume of sphere? Let us say that capital R is the radius of the cone because small r is the height of the cone. So let us say R be the radius of the cone. And volume of sphere. What is volume of sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi. Capital R is the radius of the cone. So r square into h is small r. Okay. So 1 by 3 pi r square h can be written as 1 by 3 pi capital R square into small r. And this r, 1 r will get cancelled from this. So we have 4 by 3 pi r square and divided by 3 will get cancelled from both these. So we have 4 pi r square equal to pi r square and pi also will get cancelled. And so we have 4 r square is equal to r square. And we have to find this radius of the base of cone, that is capital R. So we got r square. We can write this as r square equal to 4 r square. So what is capital R? R equal to root of 4R square, which is equal to 2R. So radius of the base of the cone is 2R. That is twice the radius of the solid sphere. Okay. Next one, 3 cubes of iron whose edges are 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm respectively are melted and formed into a single cube. What will be the edge of the new cube formed? So, we have to find the edge of the new cube formed. Here, volume of new cube is equal to sum of volume of 3 cubes. Right? And what is the volume of new cube? If L is the side of the cube or if L is the edge of the cube, let L be the edge of the cube. So, L cube is equal to 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube, which is equal to 27 plus 64 plus 125, and it is equal to 216, right? 27 plus 64 is 91. 91 plus 125 is 216. L cube equal to 216 means L equal to cube root of 216, which is equal to 6 centimeter. So, the edge of the new cube formed will be 6 centimeter. Okay. Next one, if a cone is cut into 2 parts by a horizontal plane passing through the midpoint of its axis, find the ratio of the volume of the upper part to the cone. It is given passing through the midpoint of its axis. So, a cone is there and it is cut into 2 parts such that it is passing through the midpoint of its axis. So, it is cut into 2 parts, and so passing through the midpoint of its axis. So, R will become R by 2 and H will become, this is H, this full is H, and this is H, and the height of this cone will be H by 2. That is, height of the upper cone will be H by 2. Now, we have to find the ratio of volume of the upper part to the volume of the cone. So, first volume of upper part of the cone, upper cone. We can write it as upper cone. It is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square, that is r by 2 square into h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here r is equal to, we can write r is equal to r by 2 and h is equal to h by 2. So, this will become 1 by 3 pi into r by 2 square into h by 2, which is equal to 1 by 3 pi into r square by 4 into h by 2, and that is equal to 1 by 24 pi r square h. Okay, now what is volume of the cone? Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So, we have to find the ratio of volume of upper part to the cone. Volume of upper part to cone, that is upper part, by volume of cone is equal to 1 by 24 pi r square h by 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi r square h will get cancelled and we will get this as 1 by 24 into 3, which is equal to 1 by 8. So, ratio is 1 is to 8. That is, ratio of volume of upper part to volume of cone is 1 is to 8. Okay.